Hello, 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 goodbye, no, there's not actually an echo. That was me. Don't go away! She doing things like that. Okay, speak slowly, calm down, dear. So today it's gonna be zombie modpack. Now, you know what? I actually am not gonna do that www thing for you. So we have to type in zombe with that knife mod, and it'll come up like modpack 1.7.3. Click on that. Click on the one which is Minecraft forums, and there'll be a picture of the guy, the bald guy from Star Trek, laughing at a gas, and there'll be red writing. You just go down, download link, and that's it. So this is a bit more complicated than too many items. So we're gonna have to click on this and open it up. Now you've got classes and config. You don't need source, okay? Don't worry about it. You don't have to delete it. Don't delete it. I've never tried that. It probably won't work. But okay, so trying to open my .minecraft. And, yeah, there we go. And we're done. And then open the window. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, I double clicked on it. But you're gonna want that, so you might as well swim in. Now click on the classes and slide. Okay, like that, and then that will be you done. Oh no, wait! Hold your horses. Who's here? Have you still got meta in? Bang bang, boom, he's gone. Get rid of him, little bastard. Kills random people. Put him in jail. There we go. Now you're not done with this though, so you go back and open up config. But then minimize it. You don't actually have to open up config that time. Particular tile. Now, you're going to right click here, please. Press new. New folder. And it will come up there or something. And you click mods. So, click on the mods. And here you go new folder. Zombe. Okay, sorry for that interruption. My mom interrupted. So, as we left it, zombie. Not zombie, zombie. No I there. Not space, just zombie. And here, you're going to want to then open up your not too many items. There's only one pack, and you're going to drag this config and and click on the config. Now, I only really interested in the fly mode on this, so I'm just gonna. This is how you turn it on. Yeah, so. And then this, my recommended speeds would be 0.4, and that'll be 4, but you can have a lower. I just make it nice and fast, and then 8. And just for you dudes, my subs are awesome. That was a crap spelling. That's not the right spelling. I am so sorry about this, guys. I'm so sorry. Such a good speller as well. Save. Close. Close. And that should be your Minecraft, so just open up your Minecraft. Wait, let me check something. Close it. It's not Minecraft. What is this? I don't know what that is, but we don't need it. Delete. That's a mod loader. Something else. Don't want that. Okay, that's it. Sorry, that was from a different mod. My mod loader I will be showing you. Usually download mod loader. I find you get it. You only get like more creeps and weirdos, planes mod, obviously Dr. Zerk, no creatures. So here you go. By the way, if you're getting red writing, yeah, you've been waiting for me to say that. If you're getting red writing here, saying failed to link config, what you did was you just dragged the config folder, didn't open it up and select them all and drag them into the mods, into the zombie folder. Anyway, going to single player, modded root. So this will be very laggy because I can't actually record and play at the same time. Just doesn't seem to work. Oh yeah, remember this? So you press F, X. My subs are awesome. And then E, and I'm fine. I'll tell you sure. Yeah, I'm fine. It's working on mine. Like this. Flying in the air. Ooh. If you turn on like shooting, you can press U and lightning. It's pretty cool. So now we're here. Let's do my couple of things. This is my Irish house of patrioticity to the Irishness. The Irish background. Right. So it's kind of just contained my house. Look, Joey. Woo-hoo. This is my house. Wait, look, let me show you. My brain is like that. And then close. I really hope you enjoyed that. I certainly enjoyed making it for you. See you again next time. Thanks for watching.